How to start investing in stocks is our topic for today. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the basics of investing in stocks. Get ready to take control of your financial future. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Section 1. Understanding stocks. A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. Section 2. Setting financial goals. Before investing, define your goals. 1. Long-term growth. 2. Income generation. 3. Risk tolerance. Understand your financial situation and risk appetite. Section 3. Choosing a brokerage account. Open a brokerage account. 1. Online brokers, for example, Robinhood. Fidelity. 2. Full-service brokers. 3. Robo-advisors. Compare fees, commissions, and services. Section 4. Researching stocks. Research stocks. 1. Company financials. 2. Industry trends. 3. Analyst reports. 4. News and updates. Use tools like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance. Section 5. Buying your first stock. Buy your first stock. 1. Set a budget. 2. Choose your stock. 3. Select an order type, market, limit, stop loss. 4. Execute the trade. Section 6. Monitoring and adjusting. Monitor your portfolio. 1. Track performance. 2. Rebalance periodically. 3. Stay informed. Adjust your strategy as needed. That's it. Starting your stock investing journey takes 1. Education. 2. Goal setting. 3. Research. 4. Action. Get started today and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more investing tips. Subscribe to watch more videos like this one. Thanks.